So today I'm gonna install backup camera into the Honda CRZ. So let's do it. So we have to remove the base out from the camera first. Once we have the base, we're gonna stick it into the bumper so we can mark the point. I'm gonna use this one to mark the point. But so we make a cross so the hole can put through.ไม่ true อ่ะ นี่ไง So we're gonna put the tape right here. Now we get something like this, and then just ta-da! Take the tail light out by removing these two screws. Ready. So the reverse line is right here. It's a green and black cable. So I just removed the tail light to show you that how to indicate the cable first. So once we know the color, so we come back right here. And then we find the cable from here. Okay. Now we found the cable black and green right here, right? And then we're gonna cut it out and then put this cable in the middle of this cable. So once we put it back, we have to make sure this one is fit into this. Which is the hardest part. Okay. Like this. Not bad. เราไม่ได้เช็คก่อนไง เพราะฉะนั้นติดตามซูมอินมาตา So we already connect the red wire into the reverse light. Okay, we're gonna test out. So we put this one to the backup camera. So now I'm gonna put it to the reverse. What? It's work. Now we put it back into P. So we put the tape right here. Just make sure that the cable will not move after we install everything back. I recommend you to do on the right side when you do the reverse, like install the reverse light. Because on the left side, it has a speaker. So we're gonna wiring to the front first, and then we're gonna put all the stuff back. So we remove this one out. Okay. Okay. Now it's, and this is the easy part. Oh, I love it. Make sure that you have a little space right here. Now this is the problem, because once we put the cable right here, you have a lot of space left. So I recommend you to install from this side and then put all the way back here, and then we can keep the cable underneath the seat. So just take this one out, and then you have a lot of space to remove all the curtain back side. Okay. So this is the cable that we have left. So we have a hole right here. If anything go wrong, you come back to reverse the cable from here. Ta-da!